Hello and welcome to this guide on how to get started with the Najafi 100 Million Learners Global Initiative. To get started, please visit 100millionlearners.org. Once you arrive at the website, your first step should be to select your preferred language. Once you've selected your preferred language, scroll down and select the Sign Up button. On the next screen, you'll provide your information including your email and password that you'll use to sign in. Once complete, click Submit. The next step will be to verify your email. Check your inbox for an account verification email. Click the Verify Email Here button to finish the registration process. On the next screen, you'll be invited to log in using your email and password. You've now reached the 100 Million Learners dashboard. It's a wise idea to bookmark this page for future access. If you need to return, you can also visit the 100 Million Learners homepage and click Sign In. On the dashboard, browse the available courses and click Access Course to begin. If you have any questions, please reach out to 100mlsupport@thunderbird.asu.edu. Thank you for joining our community of leaders, and we hope it's a great experience for you.